Hello. So you've been diagnosed with arthritis by your medical doctor, and you've been told there's really nothing that you can do about it. Perhaps you should just take ibuprofen or take aspirin or take some type of anti-inflammatories, and that's basically all you can do about it. Well, the most common form of arthritis is osteoarthritis, also known as degenerative disc disease. It happens for a reason. The reason is, at some point you've had an injury, maybe you forgot about it, maybe it was one of those minor rear end collisions that everybody thinks they weren't hurt, and they always say, well, I wasn't hurt. Well, the truth is, it causes a damage to the spine. It damages the soft tissues. It damages the facet joints and the ligaments and facet capsules that hold the spine together. Now, the arthritis is when that's had time to set in over time, the joint begins to degenerate. The discs shrink, bone spurs begin to form on the joints themselves. This is all part of the degenerative arthritis. This is what your medical doctor has more than likely told you, that you have arthritis. It's part of the aging process, they say, which is also not true, because you can have an arthritic joint and right above it or right below it, you can have a normal joint. Well, aren't all those joints the same age? Certainly they are. So the arthritis is caused by some type of a trauma to the joint that knocked the joint out of its normal alignment. When it became out of its normal alignment, it began to degenerate. And this happens rather quickly. It can start within 72 hours. If a joint is not moving properly, it begins to go into a degenerative process. And that's where chiropractic comes in, because chiropractic can actually help stop the arthritis from getting worse, and it can prevent new arthritis from forming, because we get the joints moving properly and align the joints, and when that happens, the reason for the arthritis stops. So if you've been diagnosed with arthritis, get to see your chiropractor, have your spine professionally checked by a chiropractor, make sure your spine has proper alignment, and when it does, you'll keep your spine in line and you'll feel fine. Dr. Jim.